Mall Keep Loving More, Myron Homes, KLC Kammam Lakeview Club. Associate sponsors Suchir India Private Limited, Shriram Builders and Developers, and Rauri Wins. Welcome!
How are you? ఖమ్మం ఎలా ఉన్నారు? ఇది నా ఫస్ట్ టైం ఖమ్మంకి వచ్చినందుకు. సో ఐమ్ వెరీ 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 ఎక్సైటెడ్, చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్ అయ్యాను. ఐ వాజ్ టెలింగ్ శౌర్య that I think this is probably the only one place that I have always wanted to visit, because I know that in the here people are so such big film lovers, but నేను ఎప్పుడు వరకు ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ రాలేను. So thank you so much for having us here, team Ashwadhama. And Ashwadhama, I think, being a part of this film, I really want to thank, my producers and Shaurya, my director, my DOP, everyone, the whole team, my manager, for making sure that, I am a part of this project. Ashwadhama is very, very, very close to my heart. He filmed the storyline of this film. I remember director Garu, when Nadagri Vachin Tarvata, when he told me story chepparu naku. I think being a woman, నేను చాలా కనెక్ట్ అయ్యాను ఈ స్టోరీతో, ఈ కథతో. And I really wanted to be a part of this kind of a film, because I think nowadays so many things are happening to us women, which is actually not right, correct, asal correct kadu, and it's very evil. So, and I believe, all of us to believe that prati okati, in every person there is a Ashwadhama, and I think it's hidden, and we really need to find and become Ashwadhamas in our life, and make sure that nothing wrong happens, in this world. And so I'm sorry, I will get very emotional, because this topic is very, very, very sensitive to us all women. But ee movie chudandi and you will know what I'm talking about. And it's a very, very, very nice, well-made film. And for a debutant, for Teja sir, like I wishing him all the very best and congratulations just now, because I know that this film is going to do really well. And so thank you so much for bringing forth such a film and directing and making your debut with a film like Ashwadhama. And Manoj sir, thank you so much for making us all look so good in the film, and the way he has done it. And so there's something very special about our whole team, is that we all are very, very, very young, under 30, and doing so, doing something. So this is like cheers to, So like you see all that enthusiasm and all that. So with our young team, so I'm very, very, very happy to be a part. And Usha ma'am, thank you so much. I didn't get to work with you the last time, but I'm so happy to be, I again got this chance, and being a part of Ashwadhama. So thank you so much, sir. I have, like Teja sir already chepparu, that he felt like home with this production. Me too, like I had two mothers on set. Like my mummy ippudu nato travel chestaru, and then there was Usha ma'am also. And sir, my father Punjab lo untaru, but sir is, again, so I think they all have very, very, very big hearts, inta pedda hearts, and I think they have love to give it to everyone that works with them. So I really want to thank you to everyone. And Shaurya, I think your favorite film, I told you, your debut film, it has my favorite songs, and I always listen to that song. And Tarvata nenu Chalo chusanu, and I really like Chalo. But Ashwadhama is a very, very, very different film for you as well. And I remember day one, when we shot for a very important scene on the, not day one, day two. And it was a very, important scene. And I was then shocked to see, like, from that lover boy, such a transition. And you have done a fabulous job. And I really can't wait to watch this on screen. And I know how much Ashwadhama means to you. and that tattoo, it's like a lifelong, association, a memory that you have with Ashwadama. So thank you so much for, having me work in this film. And please, January 31st, మీరు అందరూ సినిమాస్కి రండి అండ్ అశ్వధామ మా సినిమా చూడండి అండ్ ఐమ్ షూర్ యూ విల్ రియలీ 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 లైక్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ అండ్ ఇది చాలా మంచి సినిమా చాలా మంచి సబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ it's very 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 gripping story, so I'm very happy to be a part of Ashwadama. And and naku kshaminchandi, I just want to thank everyone sitting here and everyone on this project, because this project means a lot to all of us. Thank you so much. And team and Khammam, please, Idi, this movie, like in Khammam, has to do extremely very well, because it is our first time I have come to Khammam.